Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Redneck Light. Today we're going to be fixing some poorly sealed windows for cheap. I got this kit a couple years ago, for 12 bucks, expecting it not to work, but they actually work really well, and to the point where only now I'm needing to replace these basically just plastic sheets that are stuck to the windows. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so these are 3M window insulator kits. So these are basically sold if you've got double pane windows that are really old and the seals have failed over the years. You probably get a lot of condensation and watermarks and stuff on your windows. And basically, you really need to replace the windows. However, if you're cheap like me, or you just can't afford to spend $1,000 on each window, this is where this kit comes in. So I actually did this window a couple years ago. You can see those marks on there where it kind of frosted over and left watermarks. That's inside the window. There's two panes of glass and those marks are inside the panes of glass. So the seal has failed. This window needs to be replaced, but again, I don't want to spend, it would likely cost me $1,000 to replace this window, $1,000 to replace another window, and on and on and on for all the windows in my house that have failed. Basically what I did, and I didn't really do a great job the first time I did this, is take these little plastic sheets, you cover the entire window. The downside is you won't be able to open it without tearing the plastic wrap, but I mean you can tear it off in case of emergency or whatever. But basically this restores the seal between the inside and the outside and prevents all the condensation. So this is a different window. I have a towel down here because in the morning when it's really cold outside, this window is covered in water and a little bit of ice, and there's little puddles on the windowsill down here. Damage and destroy that wood down there, and it's indicative of I'm losing lots of heat, lots of energy through this window. Now I know you're probably thinking what I thought when I first saw this. How is a couple of sheets of plastic supposed to prevent condensation and all that stuff? Honestly, I don't know. I put it up and it actually worked. So let me start by, I'll go ahead and open one of these up and show you what's inside. But they give you a roll of double-sided tape, some instruction, and then these sheets of plastic wrap. Now, of course, you could probably buy all this at the store separately for a little bit less. But again, it's only $12 and it's got everything here for you along with some instructions. So it's pretty straightforward. Basically, you cut the film to the width of the window. You apply the double-sided tape around the window frame. You apply the film, which is easier said than done because it's really hard not to wrinkle, but that's okay because at the end you just use a hair dryer to remove any wrinkles that are left over. So I'm going to start, I'm going to take the screen off just so it's not in the way, and again you won't be able to open it anyway, but I'm going to measure it. You want to get the outside of the frame because that's where everything's going to stick easiest. Ideally you would do this inside, but I don't have a surface available. So 36 inches, we're going to go 37 just to be safe. And then we're going to cut straight across, as straight as you can. Straight across that cut's where I need to go. Alright, now we're going to give the frame that we're going to adhere everything to a quick little wipe down. Doesn't have to be anything crazy. Just to get some of that dirt off. Give it a good surface. Double-sided tape. Now basically there's two sides to it. As you unroll, it will expose the adhesive side, and then when you're ready to stick it on, you'll peel off the little piece there. So I'm going to start right there and then just slowly move across. It's okay if you get some folds or get a little bit crooked. It's pretty forgiving. So now once you have your cellophane piece ready, and you've got all of your adhesive up there,
peel it off. And I got these corners kind of overlapped. Just find an edge where it'll cooperate with you. And you want to try to take the backing off without actually taking the adhesive off. A lot of times that's easier said than done. It's not really a trick to this. You just gotta have to get your fingernail under a corner, get the adhesive to stay while you remove the kind of the backing layer. Because ideally you want these pieces of adhesive to overlap so you don't get any air gaps. And make sure your plastic sheet is oriented properly. And be careful, it's going to want to try to go on immediately. So you just kind of lay it up here. Kind of hit the corners first. And then give it a good push on each one of those edges. Take off some of this excess here. It's definitely one of the more redneck solutions to a home issue where you should just replace something. However, it does work. And here's the secret. You don't just do the outside, you also do the inside. So we're going to go inside real quick and seal that up. Alright, apparently I didn't record any of that, but doing the inside is basically the same thing as doing the outside. You may have to put the adhesive like on the windowsill and on the wall and probably dodge a few obstacles here and there. But once you do this, you've basically created a double paned cellophane window. And this will help to keep heat in, at least temporarily or more permanently if, like I said, you can't afford new windows. The best part about this is it'll be hidden behind a set of blinds and a shade, so you really won't be able to tell. You might be able to tell a little bit outside, but once the sun's kind of been beating on it for a little while, it'll naturally stretch itself out to where you really can't tell too much from the outside. So I hope you enjoyed. A lot more of a redneck solution. Again, I should probably just replace the windows. However, this is far cheaper. So until that point that I do replace the windows, this is great, like I said, to keep heat in. And it works surprisingly well. Basically, you get one of those packages. It says it covers 2 3x5 windows, but if you insulate the inside and outside, it's good for one window. So hope you enjoyed. If you'd like to support me, please check out my affiliate links in the video description. Please subscribe, like the video, and we'll see you next time.